The World Bank says South Africa has done well to recover from the global coronavirus pandemic and has urged the country to focus on creating more and better jobs. The bank released a report on South Africa's economic prospects in the coming months. Our business reporter, Kopano Gumbi, filed this report for us.
The World Bank released its updated economic report on South Africa. The deep dive looks at all the economic factors, internal and external, that are impacting the country's economic recovery. According to the World Bank, the country has an ideal opportunity to create a better economy post the pandemic.
Some even argue this could be now the turning point for South Africa, almost like as extreme as some of the other experiences were with the global financial crisis, or even worse after the Second World War, that now is a culmination that South Africa, like other countries, get onto a new trajectory. And, even if some people would consider it modest or technocratic, but the port reform, the attempt to energy reform, but also an undercurrent of basically a new startup ecosystem in the digital space. So these are all new developments. Some are, contributed by government policy. Others are just part of South Africa's underlying strength.
The COVID-19 crisis has widened and deepened job losses. But according to the bank, the country has shown that an investment in digital technologies can do much to create jobs in the medium term. Creating an environment that would nurture young entrepreneurs would significantly improve employment opportunities. Although there is a risk that older employees could get left out of the digital economy, the bank believes the transformation in this sector would have more winners than losers.
It's important to understand what are the global trends, because also the smartphone has impacted South Africa. The internet is impacting it, even if it was not born in South Africa. But at the same time, if you just think of connecting everybody, making sure everybody has cheap internet, nobody should pay more than 50 cents a day to have internet. And then actually, you can be a farmer, you can be a grandpa, or you can be a young entrepreneur who creates a new tech enterprise. That's basically, I think, what is almost what you call fundamental infrastructure, and where South Africa, again, is in the middle ground. It could do much better. Other countries have way cheaper internet, but it is at least getting in that direction. The message of the report is that let's, focus of those almost 15 million people left out. And there's enormous opportunity if South Africa uses its talents and then connects it with various people who need these services.
Uneven global recoveries will affect the pace of South Africa's recovery. But a more aggressive vaccine rollout and a firm commitment from government to tend to structural barriers will benefit economic growth. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I am Kopano Gumbi in Johannesburg.